Okay, let's have a look at the white label option. So if you want to create your white label domain, and then you come into the white label configuration, and first of all what you do is you assign an account manager's email that you can enter when you go to your site that you've created. So you do that. I've just added support at BanrAds in this case. You can create new by creating this button. Then you can see that the in your DNS with the domain that you've created, you have to put in an A-type record. So for example, I use BanrAds.net. This is a domain that I've chosen. I've done this with Amazon Web Services, and I can manage my DNS under hosted zones in my Route 53 hosted zones, and here's where I can find the records for BanrAds.net. If I want to redirect that to BanrAds, then I create a record, and the record will be for, let's say, app as a subdomain .banrAds.net, and then I'll select the record type, which is would be A, and then going back, I'll just select this value and add that to the value, right? So I've done that, create that record. So now people that will go to app.banrAds.net will go to this IP address. That's how you link your custom domain with BanrAds. I'll go back. So I've done this. I'll have to enter the domain name here, which would be app.banrAds.net. And then I can enable customization. I can do the site name. This can be obviously your brand. In this case, it's BanrAds.net. I can choose a logo. So it should be a squared logo, right? There we go. That would be my logo in order to customize it. And with this white label version, I want the white label managers to be able to assign commercial license, ultimate license, push license, or the agency kit. And that's what you can choose here. And this is depending obviously on whether you have the ultimate push or agency kit purchased. If you have not, then only the first option will show here. If you've got the upgrade yourself, then these options will go in here as well. And then you can choose the maximum number that can be assigned for users on this white label version. Let's say 50, and we'll save. So now we've created that, and you can look at the status here. You can activate it or deactivate it here, but you can have a delete option if you want to start all over. Now, if I go to app.banrAds.net, I go in here. Now the email that I've chosen was support@banrAds.com, and I chose a password. And then I am in here. So what will show up here is your logo that you've chosen, and you are here on your own domain. And then because I logged in as a white label manager is where I can configure new users. So if I want to create a new user, you can do that here. And configurations here is where you can choose. Obviously, we can have a maximum amount of 50 accounts that we just added there. Your disk space is 100 gigabits per user allocated is 1 gigabit, etc. And then here's where you can change your BanrAds site. You can change your logo. You can allow account creation and allowed uploads. So that's how you can configure this site. So on the users, you can create a new user. You can fill in their email, the full name, password, and the access that you can allow to those users. So in this case, if I just want them to have the front end, I can select that here. Okay, so that's how you can use the white label option and integrate your own domain, own logo with BanrAds. And that concludes the white label account integration.